whether restored to factory specification or enhanced with premium materials that honor the era's style while improving comfort. Seating position, pedal placement, and visibility are all crafted with the driver in mind, creating an environment that marries classic feel with everyday usability. The dashboard retains its iconic vintage layout, with analog gauges that convey speed, engine performance, fuel level, and other vital data in a manner that feels authentic and intuitive. Gauge faces, bezels, knobs, and switches are meticulously restored, giving the interior the look and feel of a well-preserved classic rather than a dated artifact. Modern additions, such as updated air conditioning, controls, or integrated audio systems, are often integrated seamlessly to maintain the original aesthetic while providing conveniences that today's drivers appreciate. Dual-zone climate control, if equipped, ensures that passengers remain comfortable regardless of weather conditions. Road noise and vibration are controlled through well-executed sound deadening and precision assembly, allowing the interior space to remain composed even as the engine hums with vigor beneath the hood. Door panels, carpet, and headliner are restored to complement the seating and dashboard elements, resulting in a cohesive and inviting interior atmosphere. The convertible top deserves its own mention. Convertible muscle cars carry a unique emotional weight. They represent freedom, wind in the hair, and the purest form of connection to the open road. This Cutlass convertible likely features a newer or meticulously restored top that operates smoothly, seals effectively, and complements the car's overall aesthetics, whether it's open or closed. This vehicle delivers a distinct driving experience that evokes classic summer road trips, cruising at sunset, or enjoying a weekend escape. Rotisserie restorations, such as this one, not only affect the surface aesthetics but form the foundation of the vehicle's quality. The process ensures that the frame, underbody, suspension mounts, and hidden structural elements are properly repaired or replaced. Rust, the silent enemy of classic cars, is eradicated. Seams are reinforced, and protective coatings are applied. This results in a vehicle that looks beautiful and delivers structural integrity that ensures longevity and reliability for future decades. Aesthetically, the restored Cutlass convertible presents itself as a work of art from every angle, whether viewed from above, beside, or behind. Its design language is balanced and dynamic. The expressive curves of the fender lines, the sleek belt line stretching from nose to tail, and the purposeful stance, slightly aggressive but never exaggerated, combine to create a car that feels alive and ready to move at any moment. Detail after detail, the chrome trim, badges, emblems, lens covers, grille inserts, and lighting elements has been refined to manufacturer fresh quality.